Most Canadians aren't ready for what's coming. TD Bank just warned that Canada could lose another 100,000 jobs in the next few months. But here is the good news. If you act now, you can protect yourself and your family from the worst of the 2025 economic collapse. And in this video, I'll break down exactly what's happening, what to expect, and the step-by-step survival plan you can start today to thrive, even in a bad economy. So let's get into it. According to TD Bank, Canada's economy is already entering a recession. So, business confidence is plummeting, consumer optimism is at the lowest point since the worst days of the pandemic, and over 75,000 jobs have already been lost, half of them in the manufacturing. By the end of Q3 2025, TD expects another 100,000 jobs that could disappear, pushing unemployment to 7.2%. The Canadian GDP is expected to shrink by 1% in Q2 and another 0.1% in Q3. And while the US economy is slowing, Canada's contraction is even more severe, with fear directly impacting spending and investment. And for young people in Canada or anyone who's recently started fresh here, that makes even harder to find stable jobs, qualify for credit or mortgages, and build a secure future. But here is the thing, you don't have to panic. Let me show you how to prepare and even thrive when the economy crashes. Number 1, build an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of essential expenses, things like rent, utilities, food, and transportation. Keep this money in a safe and accessible place, like a high-interest savings account. Banks like Simply and Tangerine offer 3.7 promotional rates and even higher on high-interest savings account. The second thing I would do is cut non-essential spending. Review your monthly expenses and pause or cancel subscriptions and services you don't really need. Cook meals at home instead of eating out and plan your meals ahead. Stores like No Frills or Nation's Fresh Food, by the way, Nation's is my favorite one because they offer sometimes foods that are like 3 times cheaper than No Frills. So they offer less pricey food prices based on my personal research, and small savings can add up and build your own financial cushion. So it's very important to cut small expenses. 3, manage and reduce debt. High-interest debt over 7% can quickly drain your resources during tough times. Focus on paying off your credit cards and personal loans first. And if you're struggling, visit Borrowell to check your credit score for free and explore refinancing or consolidation options to lower payments. Fourth thing to do is update your resume or network, or both. Keep your resume fresh, tailor it to a specific job position, or start networking proactively. Platforms like LinkedIn or Facebook are great for finding job opportunities or making them find you first if your profile is well optimized and you have 500 plus connections on LinkedIn or the same amount of friends on Facebook. And number 5 is explore side gig opportunities. Diversify your income by freelancing, tutoring, doing gig work, and websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Indeed have great freelance and part-time job postings. Even small gigs can help out buffer your budget. So stay calm, stay prepared, and remember, the key to supporting yourself in the economic storm is planning ahead and staying flexible. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thank you so much.